Hi, today is May 14th, 2024. We're gonna start a project in downtown Toronto. It's around Parliament Street and Dundas. Let's check it out. This is the house, the tiny house. Probably we're gonna do the face of the house is we're gonna change. ACM panel, but they don't want to spend that much money. That's why we're gonna paint over it. Come on in, look at the inside and tell you what we're gonna do. All right here we have a closet full of clothes right now. The thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna paint it. First of all, we're gonna do the prep work to cover the floor, and then starting modding, plastering, taping, sanding, and painting the entire the ceiling, walls, baseboards, doors, and trims. Right now, we're reorganizing the furnitures in order to having the better movements. Here we have the stairs. Now it's the carpet. We're gonna remove the carpets and install the new carpet because they like the carpets, the touches, and the filling. And the main concern is the sound. They told us if they have the carpet, the sound is not gonna be loud here. We have basement here. In the basement, if you come here, I can explain you. Right now, this is the bathroom. In the basement, we're gonna replace the carpet. We're gonna remove old fireplace. We remove it, cover it with the drywall, modern plastering, sanding, painting. If you can see, there's mold building up. We're gonna remove bottom part of the drywalls, install a brand new drywalls, killing the mold. If you can see, there's a mold right there, which is very bad. It's not healthy. Killing the molds. Here is the furnace. We're not gonna do anything with the floor, but the bottom part we will fix. Look at the damages, and also for the laundry room, we're gonna remove washer and dryer. We're gonna dispose it somewhere junk junk dump site. And we're gonna do the flooring. It's gonna be tile, baseboards, painting, and it will look fresh. If you can see, because of plumbing issue, the plumber cut it here. They put a temporary covers. We're gonna remove it. We're gonna do drywall. Show you other stuff here. Damages. We'll go to the second floor. In the kitchen area, the main task will be painting, silicone applying, second floor. This is one of the bedroom. Drywall repairs, and we have hardwood repair, which is water damaged. You know what? The owner is one of our good customer and friend. We installed them for them 3-4 years ago with my brother. This woods will be repaired. We're gonna remove it and make it brand new. It's right now it's old. The house is around 100 years old. And it's time to do the renovation. Here we have skylight. Can you see water damage? We're gonna remove it and install brand new skylight. We have two here, fixing water damage. And also you can see here, it's a very nice area, but it's old. We're gonna make it brand new. Enjoy having coffee and gathering with friends and enjoying the view and weather, especially in spring and summertime in downtown Toronto, Canada. Install a door here and finish properly here. We're gonna put a board there and finishing, and we're gonna have a nice finish and fill the gaps. And another deck here has to be fixed. That's, I think, pretty much of it. Stay tuned. All right, you know what? The height of the ceiling from the main floor to the ceiling, it's a lot. The highest part of the house, which I love it. Stay tuned.